isang question. According to him, in every 1 horsepower na aircon, ang consumption is 6 pesos kada oras. So times it, that is 48. Kaya po na ito ni aircon dali, makuha.
So, are you satisfied?
Yes, punta na ni Juan.
You just compare to the private way.
Mr.
Honorable, you have the floor.
Kami sa how much we save, di ba punta mabayad. So, ako kini million.
We were not able to pay, considering the fact that it's very big amount now.
Mr. Honorable Senate Service.
So, do you have, are you finished? Gentlemen,
According to him, ang akong differential as far as IRA allotment is concerned, muna at labing gamay karon 4.5 million. Kana pinakababa na siya. So, I will be requesting this Honorable Ombudsman